What's up, Winkling token holder? This time, my friends, 27.54% Winkling prices jumps down. But I'm sure, my friend, to after a few minutes, they will give you a very huge profit. Sorry, this was just a for fun. But my friend, remember to in upcoming days, the price is totally pumps up because my brother, after a dump, every coin is pumps up. So therefore, make sure to after this temporary dump, the price will pumping up. But if this time, if you are buy, so I'm sure to the price is very cheap and you will be buy it in very low price, and I'm sure to in upcoming 5 to 7 days, my friends, they will give you a very huge profit because definitely after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore make sure, my friend, to this was temporary dump, and I'm sure if they will hit the resistance line, so they will give you a very huge profit now, because after this dump I'm sure to they will pumps up and the resistance line is come out here now. So if the price is you will buy it now from 8.1 USD dollar, then absolutely if you said it, my friend, in 11 USD dollars, so they will give you, my friends, I think five or something, four to five USD dollars. This was a big chance, my friend. So if you invest now $10,000, so 100% you will be my friends get $15,000. So this was a big chance for profit, and don't miss this chance. Please take a risk, get a profit. Wait for the end of month, I'm sure they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video, and yes, this was not a financial video. I just advise you kindly research personally before you take any decision, and make sure, my friends, to pay Pancakeswap is just and only good for short time investor, not for long time investor, because if you invest for a long time, so this was temporary pumps up, temporary goes down, so they will move in normally condition, not very high moving upward and not. So therefore please try to understand, don't invest for a long time in Pancakeswap. All right, thanks for watching, holders. Kindly like video and subscribe channel.